And now, your first alert weather.
Just getting word in here that we have a pretty bad accident on Highway 20. Now, you can't see anything from this camera, but it's south of Sheep Falls and north of Ashton. So just as you're coming up on the Ashton Hill, there's an accident completely closing US 20 in both directions at this hour. I got no word on injuries or how many cars are involved. We're just getting the heads up here from ITD that Highway 20 right now currently closed north of Ashton in both directions, right just north of the Ashton Hill. As we take a look around the region, we've been getting hammered with some snow. It hasn't been too crazy, just this light, steady snowfall accumulating a few inches around the Snake River Plain, and more snow coming in as we speak into the lower Snake River Plain, and now just starting to get back into Idaho Falls and portions of Bonneville County, and more snow spreading into the southeastern highlands. Not a lot of snow today in central Idaho, but we're going to be looking for more scattered snow showers wrapping around the entire region later tonight through tomorrow. And there's a pretty good chance of seeing snow in your neighborhood as we get through this weekend, along with those gusty winds, plus also a bit of some melting with warmer temperatures by the Sunday. A check of the First Alert Viper radar showing us, we got snow along I-86, I-15, and you see the darker bands of blue indicating some heavier rounds of snow, especially into those foothills just south of I-86 there, coming over the mountains into Pocatello. We're still under the winter weather advisory until Saturday night. This is a heads up from the National Weather Service indicating, especially in the Snake River Plain and across the desert, we're going to have some blowing and drifting snow concerns, and it might be a bit difficult driving around this weekend with the ice and slush. Same thing also, but for the mountains, of course, some heavier lines of snow working through the region, and we have a winter storm warning for the next couple of days. Let's get to the big picture here. A series of snowstorms waiting in the wings here as we have a front that's going to blow in here with some gusty winds for Saturday and more on the way for Sunday and Monday. But as we get into Sunday, we're actually picking up on some slightly warmer temperatures, and we're going to introduce a rain-snow mix as the jet stream flattens out just a bit and we pull in some slightly warmer temperatures. Our temperatures expected to go up a bit for Sunday and Monday, leading to more melting. But tonight we're stuck with the winds and more scattered snow and pretty chilly conditions rolling into Saturday morning. Tomorrow morning, those wind speeds will be into the teens and gusting above 20 miles per hour. I want to show you those wind speeds tomorrow afternoon. Quite gusty across the Snake River Plain, hence the winter weather advisories and the winter storm warnings working back towards Jackson and far eastern Idaho. Tonight at 11 o'clock, we'll have snow getting over the mountains there. Starting to see a bit of some snow working into central Idaho finally, and then we'll see scattered snow showers on the way here for Saturday morning and throughout the midday. Saturday morning, we start to increase the cloud cover, and then we're going to be looking at some snow right around lunchtime for the Snake River Plain, and then working into the valleys of western Wyoming. More wraparound snow as we go into Saturday evening. But now we're starting to introduce a bit of that rain-snow mix as you look along Interstate 84. And then we'll see more of that rain-snow mix in there for Sunday afternoon and evening, with most of the snow favoring the high country by Sunday night. Around the region, wind speeds are going to be blowing that snow around, but we're going to add on another 1 to 2 inches of snow for the Snake River Plain on top of the blowing and drifting snow we've already picked up, another 4 to 8 inches in some of the higher elevations. So today we got about 2 inches in Idaho Falls. We're looking at about another 1 to 2 inches here for Saturday afternoon and evening. Same thing around Pocatello. Seeing the snow today, and then as you get closer to the bench areas around the Portneuf Gap, you're looking at about 2 to 4 inches as a possibility in that direction. Teton Pass, another 4 to 8 inches as we go through tonight and tomorrow. And by Saturday night, we might be pushing closer to a foot on Teton Pass with another 2 to 4 inches in Jackson. Highs at 32 for Montpelier, 34 for Preston, 30 for Lava, and 31 in Soda Springs. We got 33 for Rexburg, 29 in Jackson, and 27 in Island Park. Temperatures are expected to get into the upper 30s and lower 40s for Sunday and Monday as you take a gander at the Jackson 8-day forecast. Another round of wet, snowy weather for Thursday and Friday of next week. Rexburg 35 for Sunday, 40 for Monday, and 42 for Tuesday. Watch out for more wet weather next week by Thursday and some gusty winds. Central Idaho, we haven't seen a lot of snow so far. We're looking at highs here 38 for Salmon and Shoals and 30 for Mackey and Arco. We do have a better chance of snow in Salmon tomorrow with a high of 38, and then 41 for Sunday with mainly cloudy skies and highs approaching 50 by Monday and Tuesday. Idaho Falls, Blackfoot, Pocatello, all into the 30s tomorrow. We are looking at slightly warmer temperatures than we saw today. Blackfoot a high of 34. We got 38 for Sunday, 42 for Monday, and a similar outlook for Blackfoot and Pocatello and Idaho Falls as you go up and down the Snake River Plain. Temperatures above freezing for Saturday afternoon, leading to a little bit of melting, especially during the day part here. 42 for Sunday in Pocatello and 44 for Monday. Idaho Falls, we got the mid-30s for Saturday. getting into the upper 30s, lower 40s for Sunday and Monday. Another storm on the horizon as we get into next week for Thursday and Friday, with temperatures into the upper 30s, lower 40s, leading to more of a rain-snow mix. But for the next couple of days, I think the biggest nuisance here, it's going to be that wind and the blowing and drifting snow, especially for the early morning hours tomorrow. Linda.
All right, thanks, Michael. When we come back, the growing popularity of buy now, pay later programs helped make last Thanksgiving